Format Furniture's Creating Space Within 55 Square Meters project is a testament to their innovative approach to maximizing living areas within limited square footage. This endeavor showcases their ability to craft smart, functional, and visually appealing spaces, exemplifying the concept of less is more. Having only a few square meters of available space requires precision and creativity. Every detail, from the color choice to the furniture to the storage solutions, can expand a living space significantly. Like many apartments in the heart of Amsterdam, this ground floor home only measured 55 square meters. The teams removed all its existing walls and transformed this small apartment into an extensive and vast space. For this project, the owner asked the interior architects of Studio Ruim to help with the layout and design. Then format teams contributed with ideas, the selection of materials, and realized the entire interior. To create extra space and the illusion of different rooms, we built a tight block in the kitchen and the bedroom. We used Shoji sliding doors to connect these two environments. They are made of a wooden grid and handmade washi paper with coarse fibers.